Hidden among the coral reefs of the world's oceans lives an animal so small that most people never notice it. A creature only a few centimeters long. Yet with a single snap, it can create an underwater explosion. A shockwave powerful enough to stun prey. A flash of light. And temperatures that for an instant can rival those found on the surface of the sun. This is the pistol shrimp, and it may possess one of the most extraordinary weapons in the animal kingdom. At first glance, the pistol shrimp appears unremarkable. It spends most of its life hidden within burrows beneath coral reefs and rocky seabeds throughout tropical and subtropical oceans. Small fish swim overhead. Predators patrol nearby. But the shrimp rarely leaves the safety of its shelter. Instead, it waits, patiently, watching. Because unlike many hunters, the pistol shrimp does not rely on speed, size, or strength. It relies on something far more unusual: physics. One of the shrimp's claws develops into a specialized biological weapon. Unlike a normal claw, this one functions more like a spring-loaded hammer. When opened, powerful muscles store energy inside the joint. The shrimp carefully aims, then releases. The claw snaps shut so quickly that it forces a jet of water forward at incredible speed. The movement is so fast that the surrounding pressure suddenly drops. And in that instant, a tiny bubble forms. This is known as a cavitation bubble. But the bubble story is only beginning. Almost immediately, it collapses. Violently. The implosion produces a powerful shockwave capable of stunning or killing small prey nearby. All from an animal small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. The collapsing bubble creates something even more remarkable. For a fraction of a second, temperatures inside the implosion can reach thousands of degrees Celsius. Briefly approaching temperatures comparable to those found on the surface of the sun. The collapse also produces a tiny flash of light, a phenomenon known as sonoluminescence. Scientists are still studying exactly how this process works, but the result is extraordinary. The pistol shrimp is one of the few animals on Earth capable of generating light through the power of sound and pressure alone. No electricity, no bioluminescent chemicals, just physics pushed to its limits. For the pistol shrimp, this weapon serves multiple purposes. It can stun prey, defend territory, and warn potential predators to stay away. Some species even form partnerships with goby fish. The nearly blind shrimp maintains a shared burrow, while the goby acts as a lookout, warning of approaching danger. Together, they survive through cooperation, a remarkable alliance hidden beneath the reef. In a world filled with sharks, giant squid, and powerful predators, one of the ocean's most impressive weapons belongs to a creature many people have never seen. A tiny shrimp, armed not with teeth or venom, but with a force powerful enough to create explosions underwater. A reminder that in nature, size is not always a measure of power.